likewise, I did my investment in in parts,
in bits and pieces, here
and there. So it's all total all over cost is around like what customers' mentality is like. I got cheaper than yours somewhere else. So why should I buy yours?
Correct.
So I will get it from there. So I will buy from there. No, I am selling it at very lowest price.
Okay.
Like in the market, you can see the cupcake price is like 70 rupees per piece. But I was selling at rupees 35 rupees.
Oh.
Now this video is for all the desserts and the sweet lovers. Well, actually the bakery industry of India is growing significantly. It's growing every single year. In 2023, the market size reached approximately 11.07 billion US dollars and is projected to grow more at a CAGR of 9.5% between 2024 to 2032, aiming for around $25.16 billion by the year 2032. Hello and welcome to the Freedom English channel. My name is Anupam Anand and today we have something really exciting for you. A very sweet session by an entrepreneur, a businesswoman who has her own bakery. Starting a home-based bakery can be a really exciting opportunity for some aspiring entrepreneurs, especially those who are passionate about baking. It actually requires low capital investment in the beginning, making it easier for a lot of people to pursue. So watch this video till the end and our mentor will tell you how to start this business of bakery. If you are passionate about it, you can start from today itself.
If I would say about investment, so I did investment in some parts.
Okay.
In the year 2017, I did some investment.
What were that investments about?
It's all about tools and equipments which we use in baking purposes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
And in 2018, I also used some cupcake liners.
Okay.
And some molds like that,
Okay.
and some decoration sprinklers.
Okay.
All that, and some like that, all these
All
trays
the
and
things,
these things. So likewise, I did my investment in parts,
in bits and pieces, here and there.
So it's all total all over cost is around like 20 or 30,000 rupees.
That's it.
Yes.
With that much money you can start. What about the microwave and all these things? How much?
Initially, if you want to start your business, so you have at least OTG. OTG, and you can use pressure cooker nowadays. People can bake in pressure cookers also.
Okay.
And minimum basic molds. There are some shapes are available in the market. You can buy that square shape, round one, and oval shapes like that. Shapes are available in the market, and they are not in very higher prices. You can get in very cheaper rate also.
Okay. These are the variable costs.
Very initial stage if you want to get a start into baking business.
Okay.
So don't invest more in initial stage.
Okay.
Yes.
Test the waters first. Understand is it working or not?
It's working or not, and you will get orders or not. Because in starting, if you invest more, so otherwise.
Then it can be. We don't know what the results might be.
Yes.
Okay.
I'm sorry to cut you off. This video includes very precise information. We have a detailed video about how you can start your own bakery business and how you can run it very successfully. Make sure to download the Freedom app, and in the application we have a detailed course summarizing all the necessary steps you should be taking to start your own bakery business and how to excel in the baking sector. Make sure to download and start learning from today. And now let's get back to the video.
So how many years or months it took you to recover this cost, the initial 30,000 rupees? Within how many days were you able to? Well, then initial money you put and then you get it back. How much time did it took for you?
It was like almost a year.
Or within a year you got the initial investment back?
Not
like the
totally,
30,000 rupees?
Not totally, but after a year it started coming.
Okay. So the revenue started happening.
Yes,
Very good.
yes.
Now,
but initial stage you have to put the prices of your cupcakes on whatever you are baking cakes on your cupcakes. You have to make your price value very low. Otherwise, people will go some other baker.
They'll think, this is still since not established brand.
You know what customers' mentality is like. I got cheaper than yours somewhere else. So why should I buy yours?
Correct.
So I will get it from there. So I will buy from there. No.
Correct.
Yes.
So initially you should follow penetrating pricing technique.
Yes.
Get a maximum
to
customers.
Attract and to get more customers. I am selling it at very lowest price.
Okay.
Like in the market you can see the cupcake price is like
70
50-70 rupees per
Huh.
piece.
Huh.
But I was selling at rupees 30-35 rupees.
Oh,
that,
okay,
yes.
okay.
It was.
And your product looks very premium. It
Yes,
doesn't look like a
yes.
local cupcake.
Of course, yes.
But still you were
That's-
selling it at such a
yes,
low cost.
yes.
Okay. No wonder you picked up the business.
But initially
eventually.
you want what you want. You want more customers, more attraction towards your
the brand,
brand
that
and
you're
what-
building.
yes,
Correct.
yes.
Please tell us what are the different kinds of registrations that you had to undergo to start this business.
Okay, there is a Udyog Aadhaar.
Hmm.
So you have to register there.
Okay.
So likewise, Rimi Recipe is also registered in Udyog Aadhaar.
Okay.
I have been applied for FSSAI certificate.
Okay. So Rimi, whenever we start our own businesses, there are different kinds of business models like sole proprietorship or partnership. What do you prefer, and what is your advice to people who are starting their business? Should they start in partnership? What do you think about that?
It's all about personal choice. You
Okay.
want to it's solo or you want some partner.
Okay.
Because it's all about your capability and your ideas. You
Sure.
you put it into the business and to take it to that level.
Okay.
So, but I believe in solo.
Okay.
Because-
Solo proprietorship.
Yes.
Great.
Yes, because in solo you will get all kind of
Advantages.
advantages. There are advantages and disadvantages both the ways.
Cool,
So,
sure.
but you will get more advantages in solo proprietorship.
Sure.
Yes.
So registrations, yes, you have got yourself Udyog Aadhaar. You've also applied for FSSAI. And is there any kind of subsidy that you have received from government, like you're starting your own business as a woman entrepreneur? Have you applied for any subsidies like that?
No, not yet.
Not yet. But then definitely, I'm pretty sure there must be some subsidies that you can avail from the government of India, right?
Yes.
All right. So now that you've understood the fact that if at all you want to start your own home bakery business, there are a couple of registrations that you have to undergo. For example, you have to take yourself an Udyog Aadhaar license. You have to register yourself with FSSAI because it's about food safety standards. And you also need to definitely have other required registrations as well.
I hope you loved the video. Please make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't yet. See you in the next one.